Chapter 2. Nouns. A noun is the name of a person, place, quality, or thing. Nouns can be of different types, such as common, proper, abstract, material, collective, countable, uncountable. Let's explore these types in detail. Kinds of nouns. Common noun. A common noun is the common name given to a class of persons, places or things belonging to the same group. For example, animal, boy, building, king, etc. Proper noun. A proper noun is the particular name of a person or a place. A proper noun always begins with a capital letter. For example, Ravi, Delhi, Taj Mahal. Abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are nouns that cannot be seen or touched. For example, sadness, happiness. They do not have plural forms. Abstract nouns can be formed from nouns, adjectives, or verbs. From nouns: boy, boyhood; friend, friendship; child, childhood; adult, adulthood. From adjectives: brave, bravery; true, truth. From verbs: act, action; speak, speech. Material nouns. A material noun is the name of the substance or material from which something is made. For example, gold, iron, copper, etc. Countable and uncountable nouns. The nouns that have singular or plural forms are called countable nouns. For example, bag, bags; bird, birds; boy, boys. We can use articles a and numeral adjectives before the countable nouns. The nouns that do not have their plural forms are called uncountable nouns. For example, anger, milk, water, rice, mustard, sugar, etc. We cannot count the uncountable nouns. We can use adjectives of quantity before them. There is some sugar in the jar. The jug has little milk. We can use some, any, much, etc. before uncountable nouns. Important points. Some of the nouns such as trousers, scissors, alms, surroundings, thanks, etc. are always used in the plural number and also take a plural verb. Some of the nouns like news, innings, politics, billiards, information, scenery, advice are singular in sense. So they take a singular verb. Sheep, deer, fish are some of nouns which have same form in singular and plural numbers. Collective nouns. A noun that denotes a group of persons or things is called a collective noun. For example, bunch, class, family, etc. A collective noun is always used as a singular noun and takes a singular verb. Possessive nouns. When a noun shows possession, it is in possessive case. Let us learn how to make possessive case. When the noun is singular, we add an apostrophe and s. For example, boys, girls, Mohans, etc. When the noun is plural, we add only an apostrophe. For example, boys, girls, etc. When a plural noun is without s, we add an apostrophe and s. For example, mains, children's, etc. When a noun is in apposition, we use the apostrophe only in the latter noun. For example, Shakespeare, the dramatist's house. When two nouns are closely related, we use the apostrophe in the latter noun. For example, this is Meetu, my friend's brother. When the two nouns show separate possessions, both of them take an apostrophe and s. For example, these are Jack's and Dick's houses. Singular and plural. A noun may be either singular or plural in number. One thing is singular. More than one thing is plural. For example, singular, chair, knife, book. Plural, chairs, knives, books. Masculine and feminine. Nouns denoting males are masculine. For example, boy, father, brother, etc. Nouns denoting females are feminine. For example, girl, mother, sister, etc. Nouns of common gender may be of masculine or feminine gender. For example, child, teacher, doctor, etc. Nouns of neuter gender are lifeless things. For example, pen, book, chair, etc.